Have you ever caught yourself lying awake at night, replaying an awkward conversation or obsessing over a future decision? Overthinking can feel like a trap you just can't escape. But what if I told you there's a method that has helped people for centuries to break free from this cycle? Today, we're diving into 5 practical Stoic hacks that can help you stop overthinking and gain control over your emotions. These techniques are simple yet powerful, and they're easy to apply in your daily life. Hack 1. The dichotomy of control. One of the cornerstone ideas in Stoicism is understanding what you can control and what you cannot. Overthinking often stems from trying to control the uncontrollable. Here's how to apply this. Step 1. When you're feeling overwhelmed, pause and ask yourself, is this within my control? If the answer is no, redirect your energy. For instance, if you're stressed about someone else's opinion, remember, you can't control their thoughts, but you can control your response. Step 2. Focus on your own actions and attitude. For example, instead of worrying about whether you'll ace a presentation, channel that energy into practicing and preparing. This mindset frees up mental space, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Hack 2. Negative visualization. This technique may sound counterintuitive, but it's incredibly effective. Negative visualization involves briefly imagining the worst-case scenario to gain perspective. Here's how it works. Step 1. Let's say you're anxious about missing a deadline. Take a moment to think, what's the worst that could happen? Maybe you'd need to explain to your boss or ask for an extension. Is that truly catastrophic? Step 2. Once you acknowledge the worst-case outcome, you'll often realize it's not as bad as your mind is making it out to be. This reduces the emotional weight of the situation. By facing these possibilities head-on, you become less afraid of them and more focused on taking meaningful action. Hack 3. Practicing daily reflection. Overthinking thrives in chaos. Daily reflection is a simple but powerful tool to create mental clarity. Many Stoics, like Marcus Aurelius, practice this by writing in journals. Try this routine. Step 1. At the end of each day, write down your thoughts and experiences. Reflect on what went well, what didn't, and how you responded. Step 2. Ask yourself, what could I have done better? This isn't about beating yourself up. It's about learning and growing. Step 3. Focus on progress, not perfection. Small, consistent improvements will gradually help you feel more in control. This practice shifts your attention from ruminating to resolving, giving you a clearer sense of purpose. Hack 4. Embrace voluntary discomfort. Overthinking often stems from trying to avoid discomfort. Stoics believe that exposing yourself to manageable discomfort helps build resilience. Here's how to start. Step 1. Choose small, intentional challenges. For instance, take a cold shower, skip a favorite treat, or try a tough workout. Step 2. Notice your emotional reaction during these moments. At first, it may feel uncomfortable, but over time, you'll realize you're more capable than you thought. Why does this work? Because when you willingly face small hardships, the bigger, unexpected challenges of life feel less overwhelming. You'll start to trust your ability to handle them. Hack 5. The power of present moment awareness. Finally, the Stoics emphasized living in the present moment. Overthinking often happens when we dwell on the past or worry about the future. Here's how to practice this. Step 1. Whenever you catch yourself spiraling, ground yourself in the present. Take a few deep breaths and focus on what's right in front of you. Step 2. Use a mental cue like, what's my next step? This shifts your focus from abstract worries to practical actions. Step 3. Engage fully with whatever you're doing. Whether it's cooking, working, or talking to someone, immerse yourself in that activity. This hack rewires your brain to stay calm and focused rather than getting lost in what-ifs. Conclusion. To recap, here are the 5 Stoic hacks. The dichotomy of control. Focus only on what you can control. Negative visualization. Confront worst-case scenarios to ease your mind. Daily reflection. Turn overthinking into a productive habit. Embrace voluntary discomfort. Build resilience through small challenges. Present moment awareness. Stay grounded in the here and now. These hacks are more than just concepts. They're tools you can use every day to quiet your mind and regain control over your emotions. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Stay mindful, stay grounded, and I'll see you in the next video.